Kamutan daw. Humana.
Last 15 seconds.
Ay, idol.
Last 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 2 points. Last 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds.
Good job. Daog akong love.
So, congratulations. Busy friend. Pasensya na sa mga nangyayari. It's part of the game. Okay, matuhunan, mag-busy ang tuhod. Okay, masipuhan, mag-busy ang siko.
Nag-isi ang mata.
Ganda ng turo. Salamat sa atong mga friend. And sa atong participants. And also the organizers for setting up games. Now, Chinese Club. Thank you for sponsoring this event.